Hello everybody and welcome back to my model build. One moment, I'm just going to set the 15-minute timer going. Rightio. Yep, welcome back to the building of the Blue Brixx Pro series of the Star Trek universe, U.S.S. Defiant. Right, let's turn back to the page that I was on. Right. Move the bookmark out of the way. Right, let's see, what do I need? One of these. And 4 of these. Let's see now. This goes through. This is the correct one, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 3. Middle. That's 1 through there. Come on. Come on. That's that one. And then the next one, next 2 goes. One goes through. Come on. That one, and that's that one. And then this one goes through. Leave a space and there we are. Right, need a 5. A 5-piece. Right, this one goes. Right. The inside here, that goes inside like that. Right. Need 2 of the longer ones, which is 2, 3, 4, 7 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 1, 2, and there's a couple more in there, so I'm guessing there'll be a repeat of this. Right. How does this go on? This goes 1 on the inside and 1 on the. Oh, no, got to go down 1. Right, so 1 on the inside and 1 just a bit off level. Right, need a smaller one of these. End on into there. Right. This. Needs a couple of these to go. Couple of these 1x2s turn upside down and into there, probably to lock it in place. There's 2 more in here, which I mean, I'm guessing. Oh, come on, get. There we go. On. There we are. Right. I'm guessing they're just basically locks, sort of thing. Turn this round like that. Move this up here, and I basically need these. So, need 2 of these. 1 goes into there. I'll push it through fully in a sec. This one in the corner. Those go there. I'll push them all through in a moment once I've got 4 of these ones in. This one goes on the ends here. Miss one in. Miss one in the another one at the end there. And then the end here, you got 3, so 1 and 2. That's the wrong one. That's that one. That's correct. Right. Push through and push through. Righty how? Ooh, got these fancy things. What would those be? Oh, in here got right, that thingy, and oh no, it's not in there, not in there. Not in there, so it's probably in here. Oh. Oh, found it. Found it. Yeah. Turn this round that way. This one's going on here. That goes through there, so got like a on a hinge there. Found the other bit. There it is. Right. Now need 2 of these to go. This goes around here. Right. On here. 1 and 2 on the end here. Anyway, let's see what's next. Next, page 48 over to 49. Right. Move that a sec. A couple of 4x10s. That's for 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Need 2 of these. 2 2x3s. Two 2x3s and single one of those. Right, let's where do I go for these? this goes there. This goes one down, and 3. That goes that one and that one. So 1 point off angle. Right, this goes. This is upside down. How does this go? How does this go? I think this goes like. Right, there we go. Right, that's that. That's gone thicker. Righty how, there's 5. 1x6. 2, 4, 6. Yeah, that's that. And 2 of these things. Rightio. How do these go on? This goes on top of that. This goes. That goes on the end there. Come on, get on. Get on, nice and level. There we go. Then these go on the end here. Oh, come loose. Squeeze that down. That's that. Oh no, that's that done. Right. That's that. So what's next? 1, 2. 2x2 plates is how many do I need? 1. Any more? There is another one in there. Right, that's that. And righty how. There. Not there. There we go. One of these. See now. Got these 2x1 blocks with the plus thingy in. You get 1 through, 2 through. There we go. And then to make it sturdy, a plate on top. And this goes into there. That sit that over there. Darker grey ones now. Two of those. Two of these. This tub. One, two, three, four. One. Oh, that's wrong one. What was it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blank. 1, 2, 3. Hang on. No. That's counted. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 blank, and then on the fourth. One, two, three, and on the fourth as that. There we go. That one and that one. That's those. There's this one and two of these thingies. Get these upside, turn them upside down. One in, two in. La 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 la. Right. And then that two. Come on. Radio. Next is this one goes into there, and then got one with a 4-bit on it, cross bit that goes into there. Page 50, turn to page 51. Gotta get another one of these to go into the end there. Right. Oh, hang on. Jumped ahead. Right. Need, where is it? One of these to go in underneath it. There we are. And that one. One of these to go through it. There we go. That's that. And then this goes into it. There we go. Don't move all that much now. Radio. Right. Next is just trying to figure this out. It's black pieces. Is this it? Yeah, that and this one. Right. These two bits into there. And how does this one go? Let's spin this round. So, which way does this go? It only goes on one way. So, that to. Come on. That. Now it's stable, it won't budge. Radio. This goes here. How does this go on? Spin this round here. Right. That goes onto the end there. Ah, come on, you. That's that. And that goes on like that. Doesn't clip onto anything just yet. Right, it's fixed onto the like hinges up the end there, and that bit, the grey bit, goes through the gap in the darker grey bit, braced by this thing here. Now I need, what will it be? One of these that goes. Flip this over and goes onto here to lock it in place. There we are. Oh. Flip this back over this way. I need say a two 2x4s. Oh, no. Two 2x4s, a 2x3. There's a 1x3 somewhere. There we go. Over in this top tub. Move that back there. That's these. Down here. Right. These 2x4s go hanging on under the end here. 1x3 that goes here, and then that goes there. Off the end here, the 2x4s are there, and the 2x3 and the 1x3 on top of there. That's that. Let's turn the page. Page 53. Let me just check the 24 minutes left on the timer. Right, now it looks like repeating it, but in mirror. So for now, that's done. Move that. I need this and 4 of these. Yeah, where do these go? 1, 2, that's this one through there, and yeah, my head's probably getting in the way again, not most likely. But you get a look to my solar panel overhead. That's a bit dirty with scruff of a hair. Right, let's have a look. That's that. Ow. Right, come on. Need a 1x5. That's that one. 2 of the longer ones, the final 2. And this one goes centered into here, whilst this one goes one up. Rightio, that's that one. That onto the end there. This bag has only got these in, so I'm just going to pop that out. Righty ho. Let's see now. Right, what are they? 1 and 2. These use yeah, it's onto there to lock in place and lock in place. Let's get these smaller ones. Not that one, this one. That one. That one. Did pick the correct one for that one? Yeah, that one. So there. Couple more into the ends here. Ow. Right. Come on, get. There we go. Now the couple of longer pieces. One goes there.